I'm calling my mom.
Exit the vehicle. Please exit the vehicle.
I have to go get my children from
Please exit the vehicle. You're under arrest.
Lou Malnati's Pizza after a DoorDash driver assaulted a pregnant employee during an argument. The suspect fled in her vehicle, leading to a traffic stop that uncovered alcohol, a firearm, and further resistance.
Hello, I'm also Paul, Fox Point Police Department. Alright, is this screen address for you? I'm sorry, what's that? Okay, alright. Were you just at Lou Malnati's?
No.
You were not at Lou Malnati's Pizza?
Qdoba.
Supposed to be going to Qdoba, so you were not in Lou Malnati's at all?
No, sir.
Okay. Alright, so that's why we got called. We heard that the DoorDasher had some sort of incident at Lou Malnati's. So that's
There was
what
another DoorDasher over there.
okay, so that's what we're investigating. So I'm just going to need you to remain in the vehicle for the moment. I'll be back with you in a moment, okay? Yeah. She's saying she was coming to Qdoba and that there's a different DoorDasher is what she's saying. So that's as far as I got with her.
Let me go find out.
Okay, I apologize, ma'am. And this is your vehicle? It's registered to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, all right. So you were just coming in from Qdoba? Did you pick up an order? Or?
I didn't pick up an order yet.
Okay.
I'm on the phone with DoorDash now.
Okay. All right. And so then, did you see someone come out of Lou Malnati's?
I just did see another lady with a white car. She
Okay.
just came out of there.
All right. So the woman that came out, what was she wearing? Okay. And you said it was a white car?
Yeah, another a white car. She just literally just pulled off.
Okay. Oh, was it a car, an SUV, or?
No car.
Is it newer or older?
Older.
Did it have any like other stickers or anything on it that would help us identify the car?
That I can identify that she didn't have any.
Like an exterior door handle?
Yeah.
Okay.
On her passenger
Okay.
door.
We appreciate your patience. I said, my partner's talking to the employee from Lou Malnati's. We'll try to get you in here shortly. I appreciate your patience.
I don't understand why I'm still sitting here.
Well, because we're investigating the complaint, so that just takes a moment. So we do appreciate your patience, all right? Thank you.
The suspect insists another DoorDasher was responsible, but when officers speak with the victim again, she confirms it was her and offers more details about the assault.
So, do you have cameras at all by chance? No. All right. So, what happened?
So she came to pick up this order. I was on the phone with them. She came in with an attitude already. And I told her, like, you have to wait a second because I was on the phone. And then we don't give receipts to any of them. So she asked for the receipt. So I was like, okay, give me a second. Let me print it out for you. She put in the hot stuff with the cold. I told her not to. And she didn't listen. So I was like, could you give me back my items? Because I don't trust you taking it, or I can deny you taking the order. She's like, no. And then she had her phone here, so I grabbed her phone, and she's like, I'm not gonna give you the items. I was like, well, give me my items. Like, I don't care. I don't want you to give me the items. So then she's like, I will punch you in the fucking face, you stupid bitch. And then I was like, do whatever you need to do, but like, give me back my stuff. I was like, you're not taking it. She's like, I already confirmed it. And I was like, it doesn't matter. Like, you can take it off. I'm not giving you my stuff. Give it back to me. And then I grabbed it. She's like, it's my bag. And I was like, okay, I gave it back. And then I was like, give me my stuff. And that's when I called my other supervisor, and I was like, because I knew she was getting aggressive. So that he was like, oh, give her the things. Like, no, you can't take it. She's like, well, it's just a fucking cheesecake. And she threw it. And I was like, the point is that it's hot and cold. But I tried to explain to her, she didn't listen. She's like, I will punch you in the fucking face, you stupid bitch. She kept saying it. And I was like, do whatever you need to do. And she punched me, and then like I was like right here, and she kicked me. I'm pregnant. I'm like a week away.
Okay.
All right, Miss Lewis, I'm going to ask you to exit the vehicle, please. I need to speak to you outside. I need you to exit the vehicle.
Why?
Because I need you to exit the vehicle.
Why? I need your explanation.
Okay, because you're being placed under arrest. Please exit the vehicle. You're being placed under arrest. Please exit the vehicle. Disorderly conduct.
He put his hands on me.
I need you to exit the vehicle, ma'am. We'll discuss it later.
Oh, he put his hands on me.
Ma'am, you're under arrest. Please exit the vehicle.
I'm calling my mom.
Exit the vehicle, ma'am. You're under arrest.
Don't touch me.
You're under arrest. Please exit the vehicle.
I have to turn my car off. I'm calling my mom.
Please exit the vehicle.
I have to go get my children from
Please
school.
exit the vehicle. You're under arrest.
Wow. Okay, well, let me go ahead.
Exit the vehicle. No, you're exiting the
I'm
vehicle.
going to call my mother.
You're going to exit the vehicle because you're under arrest. You want to come to the side, Chris? Come to the side, please. Please exit the vehicle. You're under arrest.
Mom.
Under the ground. Stand you up, ma'am. Can I come to the front of my squad, please? Stand in face to face front of my squad, please. Do you have anything on you that could harm me? Any sharp objects, nothing like that? Okay. Do you have any property on you whatsoever?
No.
Do you not have any property on you? No keys, no wallet, nothing like that?
No.
Okay.
I just said I don't have anything. I don't carry anything.
Can you go ahead and move your feet apart for me?
No, because I don't want you to search me.
Okay. That's all right.
I will prefer.
We don't have a female officer present, so
Well, that's
switch sides.
I got it. I can do it my damn self. Shit.
Did you touch her at all?
I didn't.
Okay.
The supervisor did. He grabbed her and he like escorted her out
Helped her out?
because she was kicking and she kept saying that she was on her phone with her mom.
Okay,
So
that's no. Yeah. Did you ever get the food back?
we did. We just gave it to another dasher.
Okay, perfect. All right, all right.
Yeah, she like threw it, so we had to
Redo it?
redo it and fix it. But she threw it on the floor and she threw the cheesecake or the chocolate obsessed shit.
Okay, okay. Order was damaged, so you got kicked and punched.
I got punched, but it wasn't like a sucker punch. It was just like a punch, but then I was right here, and she like swinged with her. She tried to kick,
Okay.
and then that's when he jumped in. He grabbed her and he escorted her.
So did she hit you with like
Her hand.
her right hand or?
Yeah, so she was like there, like you. She hit me like this.
Okay.
I was right here, and then that's when she tried to kick me, and then that's when he grabbed her completely and escorted her out.
Okay.
Like picked her up.
Fist, open hand.
I don't recall.
Okay.
I just know my hair was like.
Okay. Did she grab you at all or?
No, it was just like the moment that she hit me.
Where did she hit you exactly?
Like maybe like right here.
Where your glasses
Like
are,
right
or
here.
above your glasses?
Like right here.
Okay.
Because my hair was like this.
Okay.
It's not
And-
like she like completely punched me, but she punched. Like,
Gotcha.
her hand touched my face.
Gotcha, gotcha. Did she when she kicked? Is it? I hate to be like so specific, but was it did the kick touch you or no?
I don't think it did. Like I said, I don't recall because I moved back, and that's
Okay.
when he grabbed her. I don't want to say like yeah, she hit me like completely kicked me, but
She attempted to kick you. Whether she did or not, you don't recall. Okay. And you said you're like 8.5 months pregnant?
38 weeks.
You are right there. 38 weeks. We just took her into custody. I'm assuming that this is what you want, right?
I just wanted her to leave. I don't want her to like come in here and do like a racket or.
So for my standpoint, this is a battery and disorderly conduct. Because she struck you, that's battery. There's different levels of battery, but she created a disturbance in here as well, which is disorderly conduct. So it could be a misdemeanor, or it could be because you're pregnant, that changes things a little bit, potentially changes things. Do you think we should take her downtown or just keep her in our jurisdiction? That's kind of...
I don't know. Whatever needs to be done.
Do you want her to get a big slap on the hand or a little slap on the hand? I guess is the easier question.
Big slap in the hand.
Okay, there we go. Then it means she's going to go downtown. Or this will get referred to the Milwaukee County District Attorney versus staying in our little court. You being pregnant, at some point, the district attorney is probably going to want to talk to you and just see how you're doing. So she does not have a CCW.
Correct.
Okay, so that's something else. All right, she's here.
He's in the back of my squad.
What's up with the car?
So I found a magazine on the floor, passenger side, unloaded firearm in the center console.
Okay. So you're going to be coming back to the station. What do you need out of your car? For battery and disorderly conduct.
I was on the phone with my mother every time that I went into the and I asked the lady for my order. I took a picture. She snatched my phone. She took my phone.
Okay.
And I asked for my phone back, and I was because I was on the phone with my mom.
Yep.
And I'm doing that.
Is there anything you need out of the car? Just your cell phone, nothing else? So you only need your cell phone is all? That's the third time I asked you, so you only want your cell phone, correct?
I mean, that's my car.
Your car's getting towed, so
Why would you give me so?
because you're under arrest.
For what?
For battery?
How was it battery? When the man came me,
Well, you struck somebody in the face. Yeah, she has marks on her face, so.
grabbed me, and so I kicked her because I wanted my phone.
Okay. All right. We'll just grab your phone. That's fine.
Jamiqua Lewis was charged with battery, disorderly conduct, resisting arrest, operating while intoxicated, carrying a concealed weapon, and endangering safety by use of a firearm while impaired.